Good morning, everyone. It's KO, and today I am outside this morning, soaking in the sun, listening to the birds and the morning bugs make their song, and just enjoying being out here. A lot of the times in the morning when I wake up, I grab my flute and I go out here and I play. And today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of being outside. You know, a lot of times we wake up in the morning, we get ready for whatever it is that we're going to do in the day, and we head straight to that. We go to work, we go to school, and we sit in another building, metal, brick, walls. Some of us don't even get sunlight or fresh air. You know, you're lucky if you even get a fan or a window. And after we're done doing that, we jump back in another metal contraption, a car, a bus, a motorcycle, and we head back home and we put ourselves back in another box. So it's very important that you spend time outside. The sun is good for you. Fresh air is good for you. The sounds that nature makes, they're good for you. And I guarantee that whenever you're sitting alone in the house and you're having a bad day, you feel sad about something, you feel lonely, if you get up, if you go outside, just for maybe 10 minutes, I absolutely guarantee you that will boost your mood. It's just something about being outside that just makes you ready, you know? It's so very important to love nature, you know? A lot of people don't like being outside. They say it's too hot. They say there are too many bugs, you know. They say, oh, I don't like the sunlight, you know. And there's definitely benefits to that, to the sunlight, you know. Despite the bugs, despite the heat, that's just the cycle of Mother Nature. It's going to be hot, it's going to be cold, and of course there are going to be really weird bugs. But if you look past those things and you understand the benefit of being outside and enjoying nature and how greatly it can enhance your mood and your overall well-being once you continue to do it and make that a part of your daily routine, you understand how powerful it is. Now, I make sure every morning I get up and I spend some time in the sunlight before I go to my job. I work in a very small space. I get a window, but it's very high up, so I don't really feel that sunlight on me. I don't get fresh air. So it's very important that I start off my day very positive. The way you start off your day is typically how you go through your day. You know, it's very hard to shake off negative feelings in the morning. You know, something bad happens to you, you automatically assume the entire day is going to be bad, or you take that negative attitude and you're so ready to release it that you take it out on the first victim that you find possible. So, one way to avoid starting off your day angry, groggy, mean, and unwilling to be happy, sit in nature for a little bit. And when you get fresh air, when you feel alive, when you smell the grass, the dew, all the morning smells, you don't have to shake off negativity. Because when you go to work, when you go to school, you're holding on to the fact that, you know, I had a good morning today. I sat on that bench in that little park and I reflected on some things I haven't really touched in a while. And I think my day is going to be pretty good. So, nature has the power to inspire. Nature has the power to heal. Nature is so relaxing. So, forget about the bugs. Forget about how hot it is. You know, forget about sweating. You know, go outside. It's so important. And that's all I have to say for today. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good day. And enjoy some nature and some sunlight. Bye.